Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got some more products from Double Dip, the dip system. I'd already previously done this when they sent me the original set with the liquids. This time they just sent me 3 more colors, and it always comes with the Double Dip instructions, and they're all nicely laid out on this card, which is, you know, colorful and easy to read, and they've got their caps color coded, so it makes it a little easier to keep up with what's what. Now, I got this package a little while back, but I didn't get to do my video in time to talk about this, but they're doing a bingo, and they send you a card. You know, when you place an order, you'll get a card, and then this is one of their Facebook things. So let's go to the back and just, okay, so play bingo game and win $2,000 worth of dip colors from us. And they say there's no catch whatsoever. You don't need to buy anything extra things to enter this. So they're going to be announcing colors on their Beauty Circle Facebook group. And then I guess you would, you know, like X off the ones that you've got. And then they will, you know, they will announce their winners or get in touch with their winners. So it says, the winner with all the lucky colors will redeem their prize in there. Join us now by scanning the QR code to enter the group and to learn more. The instructions are: open your camera, point the camera to the QR code, click on the pop-up tab in the very top of your phone, and then you get a coupon code also. So that's really neat. I don't know if that's going to be like a monthly thing or how that's going to work, but I did want to throw it out there for those of you that are interested. So this package came in one of the cute little organza bags. Let's go ahead and roll everything out and see what we've got here. Oh, we've got a really bright green. This one's called Green Seaweed. Beautiful, perfect for summer. And this one has some shimmer in it. Medallion. It's got some organza bag stuff on it. That's really pretty. Real nice. And then this last one here is Bunny Nose. And y'all know I'm a sucker for the pinks. Can't help myself. So these came in 0.5 ounce jars. I think my other ones were bigger. I'm not sure. I would have to get them out. But I wanted to show you that, and I love the packaging, by the way. They do come with a, you know, extra seal on it that you'll have to open up. So like I said, I do have the liquids. We'll be using their Double Dip Base, Dip Top, and Activator. And I also do have the brush cleaner sitting to the side in case we need that. So I'm going to get my nails ready and we're going to just hop right on into this. Alright, we're going to get started with the base, and it's the one with the red cap. And I like to get most of the product off the brush just like that, especially on these short little nails. And I'm going to go side to side, all the way over to the sides, up near the cuticle. That's what the instructions say for natural nails. I don't cap my free edge with dip powders. And then I'm going to dip down into the powder and hold it just for a few seconds. And pull out and tap off some of this excess. And then we're going to head on to the next color. And if y'all can hear Cotton in the background, he's all huffy. Something's outside. He wants to go eat it. We're going to go back in with that base liquid again. And do the same thing, side to side, up near the cuticle. Nice even strokes. You want to get this stuff as even as you can. And now for this gorgeous yellow dip. I love this one. Big surprise for me, really. I was expecting the pink one to be my favorite. So I do have a little bit up near the cuticle, and I figure while it's still a little wet, I'm going to get Woody out here to help me and clean that up just a little bit. I probably should have done a better job, but you know me. I'm not the dip queen. I'm a real DIYer at home. I don't have just tons of experience with this stuff. So we're going to do this next one. This is going to be the green nail. And I just wanted to swatch these out for you guys so y'all could see the colors and the application. And I'm going to dip down in that green. And once again, I'm going to tap most of it off. Now I'm going to let these sit for just a few seconds, maybe 30, 60 seconds. And you can see I bumped the pink one, but it's going to be okay. And after about 30 seconds, I'm going to dust them off with the brush really well. Try to get all up under there. And there we go. And now we're going to get back into this again. I'm going to go back in with the dip base. And we're going to do another coat. And you can do, you know, a clear coat first if you prefer, and then go in with your colors. But I just wanted to go in with just straight up colors because I wanted y'all to see, you know, how that looked. I am wiping that brush off before I put it back in the bottle to make sure I don't get any dust from before or dip from before down in that bottle. We're doing the same method, tapping off. You can see where I bumped it earlier. You can't even tell. It worked out just fine. And we're going to do this beautiful marigold yellow again. I don't remember the name of it, but oh, to me that just sings marigolds right there. Wiping that brush off again. I don't want to contaminate the bottle. And then I'm going to dip down in there again. Big old pink finger up in your face. Look at that shimmer on the side of my finger. That stuff's gorgeous. And then we're going to do the green again. I really do like dips. My thing is I just change my nail polish out so much, so fast that, you know, I'm not looking for that longevity that these provide. And, but I still want to show y'all what's out there, you know, what's available. Double dip is in the United States. I really like that. You don't have to wait a long time for your order. And their products are excellent. I do like their dip systems. I like their liquids even, which I'm kind of a liquid snob, don't you know. I actually prefer doing these the way Guylene 325 does them and using gel polish as my liquid instead of the liquid systems if I was to wear them. So here we go with the Activator, which to me is just the coolest part. You just brush this on liberally. See, I had to reload my brush. You want to do a nice coating of your Activator, and I do wipe that brush off again because, like I said, I'm funny about that contaminating bottles. And we're going to let these sit for about 60 seconds. I'm going to go in with my file. I'm going to use the most coarse side to it. And if you're planning on wearing these for any length of time, you don't want to skimp on this. You want to definitely take your time and do a really good job filing. Now, I'm not planning on wearing these. I'm just swatching them for you guys. So I'm not going too all crazy, but I am showing you pretty much the basics. And I wasn't really unhappy with my filing, but if I was planning on wearing these for a week or 2 weeks, I would have definitely spent more time on this step. I have moved to my softer file. It's more of a buffing file. It's not near as gritty. And I'm going across the end to make sure it's all nice and even. I'm cleaning it off with an alcohol. Well, it's just a no lint-free wipe with alcohol on it. And then I'm going to go back in with the Activator again. You brush that over the top of everything. Make sure to cover all of it. And this is going to solidify these nails really well. Everything's going to dry up really quick. Be hard, I'm telling you. Nice and just perfect. Next step is our top coat, or dip top coat. And you want to be careful with this. You don't want to get it all on your skin. So be careful and take your time. Apply it evenly and brush over it to make sure you don't have any streaks, you know. And we're going to do this step twice. We're going to go over it this first time and let it dry for a little bit. Probably about 30 or 60 seconds. It doesn't take long. The one thing I do love about dip nails is there are a lot of steps, but when you're done, you're done. You can go take a bath, you can go cook dinner. They're pretty much rock hard. So there we go. I'm going to go in with that again, but I had to change out my brush. It was getting a little goopy, so I just used the brush that came in the brush saver, and the original brush is sitting down in the brush saver now cleaning. So it's very handy to have that sitting close by. Here we go. I will have a link down below for the Double Dip website and any other links that I can find for you, like their Facebook or Instagram. Anything I can find, I'll list it down below so you can find them easy. So there we go, brushing that off on the paper towel. Look how pretty. So leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.